Hey everybody, how's it going? TechFix here. Today we are going to be doing a back glass repair on an iPhone 14 Pro Max. I already went ahead and did the lasering of the back glass, which I'll show you in a second. First things first, goggles, gloves, safety first, so that I don't get glass all up in my finger. And we can get started. First, I'm gonna punch the glass with the glass breaker. Let's start around the camera first. Break some glass. You gotta be careful always where you break the glass because the motherboard runs over here, so we're gonna only hit over here just to try to get an opening, as you can see. Okay. Now we can try to find, I like to use different kinds of razors. Big, small, medium. Let's start with this size one. And just start chipping away. If this one doesn't work, try going for the bigger razor. This one's doing just fine. If you like these kinds of videos, please subscribe, like, share this video with anybody you know that does back glass repairs, as I'm trying to get my channel past 1,000 subscribers. It would be really useful. Just keep breaking. I'm gonna go for the bigger one. Yeah, oh, that's better. Let's continue. It's nice to have new razors when you do a repair like this so that the process goes smoother. Always wear goggles, always wear gloves, because glass gets everywhere on this. Be careful around the MagSafe area because there's magnets there. And the battery's there. You don't want to pierce that. Otherwise your phone will go into some kind of a boot loop mode. Just keep prying like this. If you guys like this video, please hit that thumbs up, subscribe, show your support so I can keep doing more videos like this. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers within the next month or so. So much glass everywhere. Just be careful around here. You have a flash cable here. A lot of smoke, a lot of dust, a lot of back glass debris. This should pop off. Edges. Be careful around this area. The charge port's here. You don't want to break that. You don't want to nick that, otherwise you have a whole charge port repair to do. off. I like to use my little air duster. Okay. Let's see what's going on over here. Be careful around the microphone area, the flash area, and the LiDAR sensor. You don't want to damage those. If it's not enough cracks, just keep cracking with this. Everything should come off fairly easy because of the laser. I'm gonna move these out of the way. Gunshots everywhere. It's kind of satisfying, to be honest with you. But sometimes you have to maneuver around some things so you don't break anything. Bit of a smaller one here we can try. Use whatever you have, whatever works for you. I like to use sometimes a small flathead, like the baby flathead, to get into these areas and chisel because it's strong. This is not very strong, but it's sharp. So sometimes this will be okay, sometimes I have to figure other things out. This little wipe down. And we keep going. You gotta be patient with this because you don't want to damage anything. So I decided I'm gonna go find me a small flathead that I can use to get around this mess over here. It'll make life 10 times easier. See? Right away. It's gotta be a fresh flathead though, because if it's dull, it will not work. Just gonna find the angle. Break things. This one makes it a little difficult. There we go. Chunks are coming out. Chunks. Okay. Keep going in this area. Gotta make sure all the glass is out, otherwise the new one will not fit. Get all the edges clean. Now, just gonna brush off any excess debris. Make sure there's no glass left, otherwise it will crack the new one when you put pressure on it. I learned that the hard way. Take it from me. Give it a good clean. You need a paper towel. Put some rubbing alcohol on it. Give it a little wipe. Now, usually I would replace this magnet, this MagSafe magnet thing, but the customer doesn't care. I had to be aware that we can replace it, but in the interest of time, he was in a hurry. So I told him there'll be no MagSafe, or it'll be halfway there. Okay. Clean it off. Cover all the glasses off. You'll have some remaining debris here. Adhesive, you could choose to use a laser machine and burn it off, but it's not that important. Now we're going to test the new back glass, making sure it sits flush. Here we are. Make sure it sits with no issues in the bottom, sits flush. Top is a little crunch, so I'm gonna check that out with your finger. Check everywhere for any glass. Use your finger, run across the edges. If you do it right, there should be no crunch. Everything should sit smooth along the edges. I'm gonna run the razor a little bit on the side one more time, just to make sure it's good. See some debris here. Okay. One more little rub with alky. Try it again. Put this down. Should sit in flush. No issues before we put the glue. Once that's confirmed, then we can throw the glue down and put some clamps on it. Let's go ahead and do that. So for this, I like to use E8000 clear. I do not like to use black because sometimes it shows from the edge. Avoiding all the crevices as much as possible. I like to go in a zigzag formation. Edge to corners. Make sure to get all the important areas, not too close to the edge so it doesn't seep. Avoid any extra cleaning if you can. Try to make this as easy as possible for yourself. Okay. Adhesive down, got all these little areas here. Perfect. Super sorry about that. My battery just died in my camera. So I'm on the last step too. I just connected it to my phone. I just wanted to show you the glue is placed. And now I will put the back glass down carefully. You put some pressure, making sure all the edges are good. Everything aligns properly. Perfect. Once that is done, I'm going to go ahead and put a few clamps around the edges. 1, 2, 3, and most importantly is most importantly is this one right here. This one, if you don't put enough pressure on it, it will pop out. Enough pressure where it's not going to crack, but enough where it holds it down comfortably. Like so. Make sure an even pressure on all of them. We're going to do a little wipe of the edges. Get rid of the excess adhesive. Wipe down, wipe down. A lot of the times this adhesive would seep through if you put some pressure. Absolutely normal. And I'm just gonna throw one more for good luck right here. And that's it. You're gonna let this dry for a few hours, ideally 2-3 hours, and it'll be perfect. It'll be good as new. Please hit that subscribe button, give me a like, throw me a comment if you have any questions. I want to keep making more of these videos, so let me know what I should either fix next, review next. I try to do both, some reviews, some product fixing, product reviews. And until next time, Tech Fix Reviews.